Hello, my friends. I'm so excited to get to spend time with you again, making a recipe. Remember, you may have this recipe book yourself if we came to your class this past year. The recipe is in the recipe book by the Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum, developed by the Michigan Fitness Foundation right at the bottom there. So do you remember one of our other recipes? Mr. Banana fell over. I did not invite him to our party again today. I have with me my fruit and veggie friends. Look at this onion. He's just hiding. He's like, hello, can you see me? I'm hiding. And then we also have sweet brother onion. Wait, this is the onion, isn't it? Lemon. It could be like an onion, but it's a lemon. It's sour. And this lemon is not really sure what to think about any of it at all. And then we also have grandma squash. Well, hello there, my friends. I can't wait to see this recipe. All right, so let's get into it. We are going to be making the veggie and dip cups. I'm excited. Our veggie and dip cups, once again, are in the Healthy Snack Recipe booklet. If you don't have it, no worries, just follow right along. We are going to start off with our little cup. And in our cup, we are going to be putting in some hummus. And you know that you can get lots of different flavored hummuses, right? So maybe if you've tried one and you're like, I don't know if that's my thing, maybe try another one. I did. I've tried a lot. So I have a couple giant tablespoons of hummus in here, and then I'm going to be taking a couple different carrots, putting them right in the cup. And then we also have some red diced peppers. These are so sweet, and my friends in the schools always get very excited about these. We have red sweet peppers, and then we also have some celery. And remember, these healthy fruits and vegetables that we eat are going to help us to have more nutrients. And when we are healthier, we feel happier too. So enjoy this recipe, and you can decide which vegetables are your favorite. And we will see you next time, friends. Thank you so much.